With the onset of presidential election fever in the United States, speculation swirls as Republican and former President Donald Trump unveils Tulsi Gabbard as a potential running mate. The surprising move comes after Trump dismissed Indian American candidate Vivek Ramaswamy for the vice president role and instead included Gabbard among 5 other contenders for the position. Tulsi Gabbard, a former US representative, once adorned the Democratic Party with her charisma and even pursued a presidential bid. In a recent development, Trump hinted at considering at least 5 high-profile Republicans and 1 former Democrat for the running mate slot in the general election. Aside from Gabbard, names like Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, Tim Scott, Byron Donalds, and South Dakota Governor Kristi Noem have been tossed into the mix, as reported by the New York Post. Trump's selection of Gabbard for the VP candidacy has raised eyebrows among political analysts who perceive it as an unconventional choice. Tulsi Gabbard, a former US representative hailing from Hawaii, has captured the spotlight with her distinctive political stance. Born in 1981 in American Samoa, Gabbard's early life was steeped in a commitment to service, notably highlighted by her deployment to Iraq as a member of the Hawaii Army National Guard. Her military service deeply shaped her political ideology, leading her to advocate for a non-interventionist foreign policy and to vocally critique US entanglements in foreign conflicts. Raised with teachings from the Science of Identity Foundation, a splinter group of the ISKCON, Gabbard's upbringing further molded her worldview. Gabbard's political ascent commenced at a remarkably young age when she was elected to the Hawaii House of Representatives at just 21, solidifying her status as one of the youngest legislators in Hawaiian history. Subsequently, she served on the Honolulu City Council before securing a seat in the US House of Representatives in 2012. Nevertheless, Gabbard's political journey has been marred by controversy. Her 2017 meeting with Syrian President Bashar al-Assad drew sharp criticism, with many viewing it as a legitimization of a leader accused of egregious human rights violations. Additionally, her evolving stances on social issues, notably LGBTQ+ rights, have invited scrutiny from both allies and adversaries alike. In February 2019, Gabbard embarked on her 2020 presidential campaign, becoming the first female combat veteran to pursue the presidency. Despite her historic candidacy, she struggled to meet the polling thresholds for the third presidential debate, facing challenges in gaining widespread traction.